Hi, you guys. Hi, Ellie. Hi, Riley. Yay. Hi, Aiden and Ronan. Hi, Mina. Yeah, we missed you, Logan. Hi, Brian. No, I totally forgot to bring the expo, so I'm working on paper. I gotta just keep them here, I think. Keep a set here and just leave it here. Now I know it's kind of late, so we won't go too late. But I did want to do maybe some multiplying. Hi, Savannah, with the hundredths. So we did tenths, and I think today I did a little bit of hundredths with one of the rotations. Thanks, Ellie. Yes, I need an accountability person. Mario, the Masked Singer. Oh yeah, I watched that like last year. Yeah, I think both actually. So if you don't have paper, maybe go get a scratch piece of paper or a notebook or something. You'll hear Ryder. I don't even know what he's doing over there, shaking his head, killing some stuffed animal, I'm sure. But get a piece of paper. Yeah, I think it was rotation 2. Meeting was pretty good. Pretty good. I walked in the door like a half an hour ago, so it's kind of a long night. Well, maybe you guys can take a moment from video games to do some math. I'll give people a second here. Okay, so this is the first one I'm going to show you guys. I wasn't going to do area model with hundredths, but I think I'm going to show you because I know some people do like doing it this way. I don't know how to get straight there. So if you have paper, jot it down. It won't take long. Won't take long. And I got some extra credit at the end. You never know what I might be giving out this time. Okay. So I'm going to decompose 14 over here. 4 and 10. Can you see that okay? Kind of. So let's decompose 2 and 12 hundredths. And if you notice, you probably could see I have 3 columns going here. 3 columns. So I'm going to decompose this into 2. That's 2 ones. What's the value of that 1? Someone tell us. The value of the 1 is 1 what? 1/10, right? So I'm going to write 1 and the word tenth, even though that E is so small. Oh my gosh. 1/10. What's the value of the 2? This is kind of a bad angle. This is where I need to like have another camera set up or something. Yeah, so this would be 2 hundredths. Okay. Oh, and there goes the cord. That's okay. I got battery life. Okay. So here, 4 times 2, well, that's 8. This time it's 4 times 1/10. So what's 4 times 1/10? Just multiply 4 times 1 and then tenths. Right, 4 tenths. So I'm just going to write 0.4. Okay, now what's 4 times 2 hundredths? Just multiply 4 times 2. Right, 8 hundredths. So I'm just going to write it like this. Remember, that's 800ths, not just 8, but 800ths. Okay, now down here, well, this is easy. 10 times 2. Not hundreds, hundredths. 20. Okay, now 10 times 1/10. Just do 10 times 1, and 10 times 1 is 10. How much is 10 tenths? That's right. 10 tenths is 1. 1. Then 10 times 2 hundredths, or 10 times 2, and then hundredths. So what would go here? Now, 20 hundredths, remember. So this is not 20 hundredths, that's 2 hundredths. So 20 hundredths would be like 0.20, but what is that really? We can take off the boop, 0, right? So 10 times 2 is 20. 20 hundredths can be written like this, but we don't really need that 0. Okay, now we have to add this up. So this is where it gets tricky. You have to make sure you line things up. Well, I would just do all these whole numbers first. What's 20 plus 8 plus 1? Yeah, so that's 29. I'm just going to put 29.0 because I have to, like, we've got to line everything up. And then we're going to add 4 hundredths, and you got to write it like that. And then, so I took care of that. And then I said 4 hundredths. 4 tenths plus 2 more tenths plus that 8 hundredths. So 8 hundredths is way out over there. So we have our 29 from 20 plus 8 plus 1, 29. There's our 4 tenths from here, our 2 tenths from there, and our 8 hundredths from there. Now add that up. Try it too. It's good practice. We'll do some of this tomorrow. Yeah. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is plus 8 is 8. 4 plus 2 is 6. 9, 2. So not 48 hundredths, because you got a 2 right here. 4 plus 2. Yeah. Now I'm going to do it in standard, which, if you're pretty good at standard, then this might be the way to go for you. So remember to someone tell us about this problem. It's, you don't have to do something. What is that you don't have to do in multiplication? Right. You don't line it up. This is how you'd write it. I know that 4 and the 2 are lined up. It doesn't matter. When you add decimals, you have to. When you subtract decimals, you have to. But when you multiply, nope. So just forget about that decimal point. 4 times 2. 8. 4 times 1. 4. 4 times 2 again. So that's it for that row. Wow, that felt very dramatic. That big slash through the 4 Placeholder 0, don't forget about that. People have been forgetting about that. Now the 1 times 2, 1 times 1, and 1 times 2 again. Right, 1 times 2, 2. 1 times 1, 1. And I'm lining everything up. And 1 times 2 again, 2. Now, when you add this up, you got to watch the decimal point because we're multiplying with hundredths. There's 2 numbers after the decimal. There needs to be 2 numbers after the decimal in your answer. Okay, so we're trying to do math on here. So let's stick with math stuff. Okay, I see some right digits, but not the decimal is not in the right spot. So we got 8, 6, 9, 2. Woo! So if we estimate this, 2 and 12 hundredths, that's close to 2. 14, close to 15. I'll just double 15. 2 times 15, well, that's 30. So where would our decimal point go? It can't go here because that would be like 296. So if we have 2 numbers up here after the decimal, you need to have 2 numbers here after the decimal. So good job. I saw a bunch of right answers. Couple not right answers. Right, between the 9 and the 6, right? It was between the 2 and the 9. The answer would be 2 and 968 thousandths. You finished this in 6th? Wow. Standard? Must be standard, yeah. So Brian, you're saying question mark SA standard algorithm. Remember we put that in our planner Monday and today, and so I just abbreviated it instead of writing it out. Or it could be stand for smelly apples. I don't know. But I think it's standard algorithm, yeah. And we got the same answer as we did with area model. Yeah, partial. I'll show you partial on the side if you want, because I don't know. Okay, should we do area on this one too, the new problem? Or should we go right to standard? Okay, I see a no and a yes, but I'm not sure what the no and the yes is for. No what? Yes what? Standard? Don't do area. Three columns for ones, tenths, hundredths. I'll go back here. When we did this area model. Hi. So we took this 2 and 12 hundredths and we did 2. 1 is 1/10. The other 2 is 2 hundredths. Hi, hi, hi. Okay, so maybe let's just go right to this. Standard algorithm. So if you don't have any paper, get some paper. And then this will be the last one. And then I got like 3 extra credit problems. So 1 and 45 hundredths times 16. And again, we're not lining anything up in multiplication. That's only in adding and subtracting. Okay, so always start here. 6 times 5. 30. Leave the 0 carry the 3. It's a double-digit answer. Leave the 0, carry the 3. Now 6 times 4 plus 3. 6 times 4 plus 3. 27. Good. Leave the 7, carry the 2 because we still have to go over here. Now 6 times 1 plus 2. 6 times 1 plus 2. Good job, you guys. 6 times 1 is 6 plus 2 is 8. Placeholder 0. Now just 1 times everything up here. Good job. 1 times 5, 5. 1 times 4, 4. 1 times 1, 1. Okay, add it up and put the decimal point in the correct spot. We're multiplying with hundredths here. Good job, you guys. Good job, Mina and Jackson, Brian. And I'm sure some people can do it on a calculator, but that's only, it's only going to hurt your learning because on a test you can't use a calculator. All right, 0 plus 0, 0. 7 plus 5, 12. Leave the 2, carry the 1. 8 plus 4 plus 1. No, I wasn't saying anyone was using it. I was just saying somebody could use it. A calculator. Carry the 1. Okay, now remember, this answer is not 2,320. Remember, this number is close to 1. 1 times 16, say-ish. So where does the decimal point go? Don't put a comma in there. It's not 2,320. That's right. You're not learning then if you just use a calculator all the time. Right. So you could say the answer's 23 and 20 hundredths or 23 and 2 tenths because we know we could drop that 0 off at the end if we wanted to. I'm super excited. I think we're really getting it. Pretty soon we're going to be starting division. So we got to make sure that we know how to do this so we can move on. Because remember, you have to know this stuff in 6th grade. Division will be fine. Don't worry. I've got good things to show you guys for division. And if you keep practicing your facts, division will be a lot easier for you when you know your multiplication facts. That's why we're going on extramath.org is to get that practice in. And you can do that at home, remember? It takes what, 5 minutes? Well, thanks for trusting me. I got your back. I won't steer you wrong. But you got to do your part. I can only do this part, and you have to do the rest. That's in your circle of control. Okay, so I have some extra credit. Yeah, don't worry. We'll get it. So here's 3 extra credit problems. Everybody get them down? I'll have them on the board tomorrow too. Or you can, try these tonight if you have time before bed. At least give it a try, and you can do either way. If you want to do area model, try one area model. Try 2 standard algorithm or all standard algorithm, whatever you wanna do. I haven't seen a lot of extra credit being turned in, though. I've only seen a few papers. I gotta check the drawers, but here we got it. Oh, a secret word. Hmm. But I was trying to think about something different. Like I want people to get a bead who actually answered questions. Now I know some people I guess can't. Maybe they don't maybe they can't answer questions. Um well, you never know what I give out for extra credit. Tickets, candy, who knows? Beads. I will pick the secret word, you guys. Let me think about it. I already have one, but I'm trying to think because then anybody could go and watch this that didn't answer any of the questions. I probably will remember everyone who commented. And I'm working on the books, by the way. Do I have them down here? I have them down here, but they're out of my reach. I have I think I have 6 that I'm working on, 6 booklets to keep extra credit in. Maybe I have 2 more. Maybe I have 8. So the books are I'm close to getting those done. And I will give those out to people who actually do extra credit. The secret word is going to be, but you can't tell anybody, pine cone. Like what you find on a pine tree. Don't tell anybody. Don't type it. Pine cone. That's all I'm going to say. All right. I think everybody got that down. And tomorrow's Thursday. We got 2 more days of school this week. Exciting stuff. You whisper it in my ear in the morning or at rotations, but don't let anyone else hear it. Just the people that came on. It definitely felt like a Monday today. It was pretty weird. But it's not. It's Thursday. And we'll probably have another little quiz on Friday. And I think you're having a quiz in science tomorrow, yes? Science, I think, quiz. Study that too. I'll try to get Miss Fusco and Mrs. Teffer to do a video with me, maybe. But the only thing is, it would be super early. Maybe it wouldn't be a live one because it had to be before we left for home. Ryder. Okay, he's coming. He's coming. Batten down the hatches. He's coming. Come here. Come here, Ryder. Come here, Ryder. Oh, the tree fell down. Jeez. I didn't even see that. Come here. Come here. People want to say hi to you. They want to see you. Come on. Come. Ryder, come. Ryder, come. Hey. Okay. Ryder, come. Ryder, come. We are not cooperating. Ryder, come. 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 Okay, good boy. Oh. Oh. He's turning his back on us. He's against us. Well, there he is. Say hi, Ryder. All right. He is pretty cute, but he's naughty. So naughty. Come here. Come here. Get closer. Come here, Ryder. Ryder, come. Ryder, come. Ryder, come. There we go. Okay. Do you see everybody out there? Oh, no kisses on the lips. Yeah. Thanks. Thanks. Okay. Wave bye. Bye. Bye, everybody. All right, you guys. See you tomorrow. Don't forget to study that science too. Math quiz on Friday. And Pinecone. Bye, Jackson. Bye, Mina. Bye, Olivia. Bye, Allie. Yeah, it was kind of short because it's kind of late. It's already getting to be 8:30. Bye, Riley. Bye. Bye, Anna. Oh, I'll give you a few days to turn in the extra credit. Maybe by Friday. Bye, Savannah. Bye, Carson. All right. Bye, everybody.